你好，欢迎回来，我是老卜。Hi, welcome back. I'm 老卜. So in today's lesson, we'll keep learning initials. And today we're going to learn z, c, s. It sounds very similar again. And we're gonna break them down, no worries. So let's dive right into. Before we really dive into, let's review a little. Do you still remember I and U? Let's see. So, I and U as initials, they sound like Y and W. So here, the first one, it is K, ao, kao, I, a, ya, 烤鸭, 烤鸭. The next one, 我是老卜, 我. And I and U used as beginner markers, so we don't pronounce it. So here we don't pronounce it, so it's I. And here the I and 点. So here it sounds a little tricky, right? 眼 I and 眼的眼点很好的眼点一点点一点点一点点 Next one, we don't pronounce here, so it's just 五 That means number 5. And here, 可熬烤 And here we don't pronounce, so here remember it's not u, it's ü, because when you see ji, qi, xi and ü, when they plus ü, they always write without the dot. So here it's ü. So together, 烤鱼 here, 烤鱼非常好 We're gonna read them one more time, and that would be our recap. Here, 烤鸭我一点点五烤鱼非常棒 Let's move on. So now we're going to learn z, c, s. So did you notice that when I say these 3 initials, my mouth and my lips doesn't move, right? So you keep smiling. Actually, one more thing is that the tip of your tongue doesn't move either. So listen, it's z, c, s. So what made it different? Actually, it's the air, right? It's mostly the air coming out of your mouth that sounds differently. So we're gonna learn this one first. S, because you know how to say C, right? It's like a snake, S, right? So here, I want you to pay attention to the tip of your tongue, where it is. Okay, here. This is your upper teeth, and this is your lower teeth, right? So this is your tongue. Your tongue always, stick here. Not like this, like this. C, right? C, right? Okay, so you keep it here. Keep your tongue tip here, and you let the air keep coming out. So it's C here. C. So it's like you're blowing a candle, but you keep blowing it, right? Okay, that's C. S. Okay, we say, it should be S, right? Okay, S. Okay, now let's learn the first one. The first one, it's Z. So for Z, it sounds like words, but words we have throat, right? It's vibrate. But in Z, ci, si. Here doesn't move, okay? It's just the tip of your tongue and with the air, right? So it's z, z. It sounds like z, z, z. So your tip of your tongue is like z, z. It moved a little, z, z, right? So it's like here. It's not touched, right? It didn't touch each other. So you say z, 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 right? So words, not here. Z, z, z. And the last one, it's c, c. So it sounds like cats, the same. C. And remember, when you say c, you have the air out of your mouth, like you're blowing a candle, right? C. Here. C. So the similarity among these three, first of all, lip position and tongue position, and second of all, so all of them pronounced at the front of your mouth, not the back of your throat. No. So z, c, s. The difference among these three would be the first one, no air coming out, and the second one, it's like you're blowing off a candle, and the last one, you keep blowing it. Okay, look. Z, c, s. See? Okay. As long as your hand is steady, you will know the difference. Okay. So here we've got z, c, s, right? I'm going to say, and I want you to pick which one it is. Is it the first one, second one, or the third one? Okay? C, c. One more time. Okay, maybe look at here. C, c. Yes, it's c, c. Okay, now listen. S, s. Yes, you got it. And z, z. Yes, z. 非常好，非常好。Now, we're gonna learn some words together. Now, the first one, do you still remember how to read it? Yes, it's z, without air coming out. Z, right? And here, this part, do you still remember? Ow, ow. And the third tone, 早, 早, z, ow, 早. So 早 means morning or early. So when we say good morning, we can only just say 早, 早, 早. For example, today you're going to work and in the elevator you meet your neighbors. You can just say 早, or you can just nod and say 早. Or when you get to the office, you see your colleagues, right? So you just say 早. So Chinese, we're not everybody is extrovert, and people do not like to, say it, with that much energy. Just nod and say 早, or you just wave 早. Yeah, and that's it. 早. 很好. Okay, so now let's see. 吃. And do you still remember this one? I. So this is the fourth tone. Fourth tone, let's review. I. Sound a little angry. 吃. I. 菜. 菜. 菜 means dish or vegetables. Okay, 菜. And here, the. Do you still remember this one? An. The first tone. An, the, an, dan. Dan. Dan means a piece of paper, right? So 菜单 together, that means menu. 菜单. 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 So when you walk into a restaurant, right? So people usually ask like how many people, and then you sit down, and then sometimes they're just too busy and they forgot to bring you the menu, and you need to ask. So can I have 菜单? Can I have 菜单? Yes. Okay. So this is 菜单. 菜单. But sometimes, if you walk into like fast food restaurant, you don't have a 菜单, right? Sometimes they use the app. You need to scan QR code, or you just look at the electronic 菜单 up there, right? Okay, so you don't always have a 菜单. 很好. Okay, now the last one. Here, 私. Here, do you remember this one? We have 菜单. Yes, it's 安. So 私安三. 三 means, sorry, 三 means 3. 三. And here I add 思味岁. Probably 五 a. You remember here, right? So 五 a 味, right? So together, 思味岁. 岁 means years old, right? So together, 三岁 means 3 years old. 三岁. So actually today I had a new friend. He's only 三岁. The reason why I say that he's my friend, because he's so sweet. He's a very sweet 三岁 boy. Okay, 三岁. Very warm, very cute and smart. So 三岁 is the great age. I think right now, I think 三岁 is the best age for kids. They're so warm. 三岁. Okay, now so we have learned 早, and we have learned 菜单, the menu. Also 三岁. Now let's do a quick check. Yeah. Okay, let's see which one is which. So the first one here. Which one? Yes, it's 早 很好. Okay, what about this one? Yeah, 菜单. I actually wanted you to remember how to try to spell it using Pinyin. Okay, 菜单. And the last one, let's try to do that together. 思安三. 思五 a 岁三岁. The best age of a child. Yeah, it's just a joke. Okay, 三岁. So that would be everything that we're learning today. The first one, 早 菜单 三岁 Now, let's see, how do you pronounce this one? 滋 without much air really coming out of your mouth. A lot of air. 吃 and it's like that. 吃 and the last one, 丝 it's like you're a snake, right? 丝 so 滋 吃 丝 早 菜单 三岁. Alright, so that would be all for today's lesson. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you next time. 再见